Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Udupa. This is going to be a very quick episode, but a lot of people have been asking me, Shashank, what is going on with the market? Is it reversing? It has been going up green. Is the war finally coming to an end? Has things been factored in? So today I thought I'll make a quick technical analysis video. We'll go into Nifty and go into another sector and try to understand what is going on with the market. That is what we're going to understand today. But first things first, let's cover up the macroeconomic factors. Looking at the macroeconomic factors, has the war got over? No. There is some small disruptions even now happening. If you remember recently, the Dubai airports got shut again. The Dubai real estate index has also gone down. That means a lot of developers' share prices have also gone down a lot. Again, some people in the market are saying it's not affected local real estate prices, but the developers definitely are taking a hit. And it's not getting over as well. That is point number two. But if you look at the market, are they pricing in this war almost getting over? Because the amount of attack that used to happen is not happening anymore. No, the pricing in has not happened, mainly because the oil prices are still very high. It had reached 100. Now it's come down to $95 a barrel. Our rupee has gone to 92.42, which is also not good. And there is a direct correlation with increasing oil prices and our GDP. So if the oil prices keep going up, our GDP is going to keep getting affected. Our LPG shortage issue, even though we have got our tankers out, there is a disruption that has happened with LPG, which is again going to affect your GDP. If you ask me in simple terms, is everything sorted, Shashank? Is everything over? Absolutely not. Should we go back to all-time high? Maybe not in this current situation if the war is going on. If the war gets over, then definitely we will jump up to all-time high. But let's look at our Nifty analysis and let's understand, do we have a reversal? So now look at this. So 2 days the market has gone back up. And a lot of people are already asking the question that is it a reversal or is it a dead cat bounce? Please understand, this entire fall that we took is deeply negative. Even now, the market is completely negative. Usually what happens for a sign of reversal, we need to see a good sustained pullback. Okay, if it's a downtrend, it can just do a simple downtrend like this, right? It can go up like this and keep going down. So we don't know if this is a dead cat bounce that is happening like this, or is it an actual reversal. For an actual reversal, you will not see this like this. For an actual reversal, you will actually see a more sustained recovery, then a consolidation, and then a recovery like that, right? I don't think V-shaped recovery is very hard to do. And if you see the past, let me show you how the past recoveries have happened. See, this is the problem. You can see this area. We had that entire Trump tariff. This area was very brutal because it gave a lot of hopes to us, right? Because the market first fell down. Every day we used to get up, open the news, and it was falling down. Then it actually went up and everyone thought, okay, now it's gone up. That means the reversal has happened. And 5, 6 days, 7 days of going up, again fell down further, then went up a little bit, fell down even more. So that, for me, even this upward sign is not being visible here right now. So a lot of people are asking, Shashank, is this a reversal or are we back into positive? Because 2 days we have seen green. Not yet. Not yet. But I can tell you where signs start looking attractive. Signs start looking good. See, first of all, we are way below our 200-day moving average, okay, which is not good at all. If I actually add the EMA, let me just add it for you, right? And I don't want 9. Let's say I want 200-day. See this. This is the 200-day moving average. We are way below the 200-day moving average. And if I had to do a math on this, we are approximately 7% below the 200-day moving average. Leave the top. Why do I say this? Because when I do the previous comparisons over here, whenever we have fallen below 200-day, we have gone approximately to 7% only, right? 7 to 8%. Even if you look at the Russia-Ukraine war over here, when we had broken the 200-day moving average, let's say over here, we had gone down almost 10%. So 7 to 10% is absolute bottom out from the 200-day. Another time here, you can see that we went down only 3.5%. So this is again being a sustained drawdown. And as and when the situation gets bad, it will keep going down, but we are almost at the bottom as of now. Now, where does this reverse? In my opinion, we have to first step, I'll tell you. First step is we have to cross 24,000, right? If we cross 24,000, then the price action looks quite interesting because we need to cross this and it has to take support at 24,000. It can't just cross it and then break, because or else what will happen? It will create a structure like this up here. Okay, if it doesn't hold 24,000, then we go down back to 22,000, and 22,000 is absolutely on the cards. So we wanted to get above this, sustain here, maybe take a few days pause and then start going back up. and then break the 200-day moving average peacefully, right? So until 24,000 upward momentum, I cannot confirm and say, yes, we have broken out. In fact, leave that. Even if you look at it today, the market has been one hell of a journey, right? It is showing a lot of signs of being weird because the market first opened up. After that, during the midday, it actually fell down, right? Look at this. It opened up over here at 9:30 and then fell down by around 10 o'clock. It kind of bottomed out. And then again, there was a nice buying that came in at this point at around 1:30, which usually indicates either the DII is coming in or the DAX when the European markets start opening. And then somehow it has sustained here. But we are seeing this pattern many times that the market opens and it starts going into a downward trajectory, right? And midday selling, early buying, early selling, same thing happened here, goes up, comes down, goes up. This basically shows that the strength is not there in the market. If I have to see a proper strength in the market, you will see that it opens and it sustains the open and it just goes up even further. So that is basically not happening even on a 15-minute time frame. And if I look at the index from a weekly time frame as well, you will see here that even from a weekly time frame, right, we are not looking very, very, very attractive even from a weekly time frame. Again, as I said, even on the weekly, it shows that 24,000 is the place to sustain, is the place to break. Anything above 24,000 is the only place where I can safely say that, okay, we have confirmed a reversal. But looking at the market right now, nothing is looking great. Though today, why Nifty went up? Reliance didn't go up, HDFC didn't go up, but Auto Bs basically went up today. Auto took a very good recovery. Why did Auto take a recovery? Because Auto also went down a lot, right? Auto went down quite a bit because Auto was in momentum. Momentum got destroyed and Auto fell down a lot. So this again is not a sign of recovery. Please understand, this is not a reversal. It is still definitely in the negative trend only. It is not a reversal, but we are again waiting for it to show a significant sign. So another 2-3 days, if we see an upward momentum, it should look well. But look, how can we see an upward momentum? FIs are still selling. Our dollar INR is very bad. Oil crisis is going on. 100 problems are going on. The only thing that can actually sustain this or completely negate this is if the war starts getting isolated only between US and Iran. But as long as that Strait of Hormuz is in problem, nothing is going to happen until that point. And I know it is very annoying for people like me and you because, boss, I have not seen my portfolio in green for the last 18 months, and people keep saying buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Bore ho gaya abhi kitna dip kharidne ka, right? My bank balance is only dipping. There is no dip to buy. Kitna kharidu gira hua stock ko. So that is what is happening. I am just praying and hope that we finally break this all-time high very fast. And then finally we go into new highs and we can start seeing some green in our portfolio, go back to the good days. But since the last 18 months, almost 2 years, September mein 2 saal ho jayega, almost 2 years that we have not seen anything. But again, I will keep making such videos so that you are informed. And again, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't sell in this market. Please keep buying as much as you can. I know I keep sounding like a broken record, but these are good opportunities to buy quality and good companies. Okay. Awesome, guys. Take care. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and I will keep giving you more updates. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.